When you're hungry in Korea and you don't know what to say, here's a little flow to help you find your way. Juicy-o means please give me that. Juicy-o, juicy-o. And now you're on track, let's get with the rap. Step in the spot, you're looking at the menu. Juicy-o, you know it's your venue. This means please give me this, you're making a choice. Ika juicy-o, Ika juicy-o. Say it with confidence, lift up your voice. Want some water on the side? More juicy-o, more juicy-o. Hungry for meat? Say gaki juicy-o, gaki juicy-o. For that barbecue delight, yeah, that's how it goes. Just say juicy-o, juicy-o. Now you're feeling the vibe, order what you like. Whether it's rice or kimchi stew, in Korean restaurants you know what to do. When it's time to rest, and you need a place to stay, let's learn how to book it the Korean way. Dial it up, check in like a pro. Say yeah, I gotta sip yo. Yeah, I gotta sip yo. That means I want to make a reservation. Now you're staying cool across the whole nation. Need a single room, single bong is Rio. Single bong is Rio. Or a double for two, if that's how you go. Double bong is Rio, double bong is Rio. And if you wanna check when to check out, say check out Siganan on J.O. Check out Siganan on J.O. Yeah means yes, and Onio means no. Yeah means yes, and Onio means no. Get your room key, let the good vibes flow. For a smooth hotel stay, now you're on track. Just choose Juicy-o, Juicy-o. And you're good to roll with this Korean flow. You're in full control, ordering food, getting rest, catching the ride. With this language by your side, take a trip with pride. So remember Juicy-o when you need that thing. With these words in your pocket, you're set to swing from the streets to the seats.